Are you ready to turn your mouth into a flavor paradise? Today, we're making a fruity, creamy, and totally meatless chicken salad that's so good, even your carnivore friends won't believe it's vegan. Oh, and did I mention it's packed with nutrients and ridiculously easy to make? Let's dive in. First things first, meet our star ingredients. Jackfruit. This tropical fruit is the MVP of meatless cooking because it shreds just like chicken and absorbs all the flavors we're about to throw at it. Plus, it's low in calories and high in fiber. Who needs chicken when you've got this? Did you know jackfruit is one of the only fruits that packs a protein punch, making it a tropical treat that can keep you full and even support muscle health? It's also loaded with antioxidants to fight inflammation. Okay, let's get chopping. While your jackfruit is taking a little spa vacation under those cans, we're going to prep the rest of our team. Pro tip, this will remove excess water, preventing a soggy salad. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Green onions are like the superheroes loaded with vitamin K and quercetin to help build strong bones and supercharge your immune system. So sprinkle them on and power up. Celery is basically the overachiever of the veggie world. It's crunchy, it's hydrating, and it's low in calories. Like, calm down, celery. We get it. You're healthy. Celery contains special compounds that can help lower blood pressure and even protect your brain from aging, making it the ultimate snack for both your heart and your smarts. Juicy red seedless grapes are bursting with resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that not only helps keep your heart ticking, but may also give your brain a memory boost. So snack smart and stay sharp. Sweet golden raisins aren't just pretty, they're packed with more antioxidants than regular raisins, thanks to their special drying process, giving your cells extra protection against stress. If you can't find golden raisins, regular raisins will do. Regular raisins are a sweet way to help lower your blood pressure and cholesterol, making them a heart-healthy snack. It's basically nature's candy with benefits. Next, my personal favorite, a Fuji apple. Did you know apples are loaded with antioxidants that keep your skin glowing? So basically, this salad is a beauty treatment in a bowl. Pro tip, if you're bad at peeling apples, just tell everyone you're going for a rustic look. Seriously, a peeler makes all the difference. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon, curry powder. Yes, a pinch of this golden magic gives your salad a pop of color, subtle warmth, and glow. Kind of like a good Instagram filter, but for your food. Plus, it's packed with powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help with conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Your taste buds and your joints will thank you. Now, it's time for the big mix. Toss in your shredded jackfruit, celery, apple, grapes, raisins, a little black pepper, and a generous dollop of vegan mayo. Don't be shy with the mayo. This salad deserves to live its best life. Think of it as the Beyonce of condiments. Smooth, versatile, and it makes everything better. And because we want that sweet and savory balance, we're adding sweet relish, Sweet relish may surprise you with its vitamin K content, which helps keep your bones strong. Just remember, a little goes a long way for both flavor and health. Pro tip, you may want to add your sweet relish first, then mayo. You don't want your salad to be runny. This is so good. You've got the crunch from the celery, the sweetness from the fruit, and that creamy, tangy dressing, tying it all together. It's like a flavor party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Oh, and if you're feeling fancy, top it with toasted pecans or regular pecans for that extra crunch. Allergic to nuts? No problem. Grab some less tortilla strips instead. The salad is all about versatility. And there you have it, your new favorite fruity, curry, meatless chicken salad. It's perfect for sandwiches, salads, or just eating straight out of the bowl. Are you team salad or team sandwich? If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you liked it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your foodie friends. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.